They are your local experts in personal finance, and in these crazy interest rate days, we're glad to have East Wisconsin Savings Bank on our side.
Yeah, Barry is here for this subject. Good morning to you.
Good morning. It's nice to be here.
Well, so what are you seeing in today's market? Your interest at up, down, sideways, whatever ways interest rates can go, that's what's happening.
Right. With interest rates, we are in a wild market. At the beginning of the year, the rates were really low. People were really happy, but then all of a sudden, everybody knows that the Federal Reserve raised rates, and everybody started panicking. And of course, when the Federal Reserve raises rates, it's typically short-term rates that they raise, not the long-term rates. So a lot of people get that confused. So just because the Fed raises the rates doesn't necessarily mean the mortgage rates are going to go up.
Okay. So why is it important for home buyers to work with experts like you? You let us know when to wait, maybe when to move.
Absolutely. Mortgage rates are constantly on the go. They're always moving. So we wish that we could predict the future, but we do watch it very closely. So sometimes when people come to us and we know it's a volatile market and rates might go up, we might suggest that they lock. But people nowadays, especially when it comes to rates, sometimes they want to take that risk, and sometimes they win, sometimes they lose. We just try to give the best advice we can. We don't have a crystal ball. We're not perfect, but we kind of have our finger on the pulse, and we try to do what's best for the member.
So what are you seeing in the home market today, and how have the rates affected that?
Well, the Federal Reserve raised the rates earlier this year. As you know, they raised them half a point, and then guess what happened? There was a knee-jerk reaction. Interest rates went up. They went up above 6%, and everybody was panicking. But in the past, as long as I've been doing this, when the Federal Reserve raises the rates, sometimes I see them go up, sometimes I see them stay the same, and sometimes I see them go down. Now, earlier this year, they raised the rates 0.5%, but this time they raised them 0.75%, so most people expected the rates to go through the roof. But actually, it did the opposite. The very next day, they dropped a quarter, and present day, they're lower than they were before they raised the interest rates the first time this year.
That's so funny. I didn't hear that part of it.
Nobody
ever
does.
That's why we got people like you.
So most people buy a home on a payment plan of some sort, of course. How can your team help us figure out what the best process is, maybe the best term of the loan for us?
Right. Term, the type of loan that you're in. So you're looking at everybody has a budget. Everybody has a budget they have to stick with. And interest rates knock people out of the market. All of a sudden, the interest rates become too high, and now they're outside of their budget. But you want to work with a lender or a financial institution like East Wisconsin Savings Bank that has different products that can help you. If the fixed rate is a little bit too high, take a look at a variable rate. A variable rate is a very good opportunity for people to save money. At one point this year, the variable rates were 2% less than the actual fixed rate. So some of those people that were right on the edge of their budget, interest rates went up, knocked them out, we were able to keep them in the market, and in some cases keep them at or below their budget because the rate was so much different.
All right, well, you can count on Barry for an honest opinion, as well as everybody else at East Wisconsin Savings Bank. There are 6 locations throughout the valley.
If you're looking for more information, just give them a call. It's 920-766-4646, or just head to eastwis.com.
Thanks, Barry.